my recommendation is go through and see if they gave you a number with a percent sign. All right, did they give us a percent in this one? Yes, they did. The percent is the 0.73%. Now, when you box that in, it is the percent. So don't box it with one of the words that are next to it, because a percent is the percent. All right. Now, hopefully that makes sense then, that the of number has to be the 125. And then what is, all right, what is the question. So the is number is going to be what? X, because that's what we're trying to solve for. So that's going to be my X. All right. And then let's go ahead and write the formula down again right here. Is over of equals percent over 100, because that was on my other piece of paper. So let's write that down. Okay. All right. So top left-hand corner is the is number. So what am I going to put in the top left-hand corner of my proportion? X. What is going to go in the bottom left-hand corner for of? 125. Percent, what's the percent? 0.73. So whatever the number is, write it down. And then 100 always goes in that bottom right-hand corner. This is like the most wonderful formula ever was, because no matter what the sentence is, you identify the numbers correctly, put them in the right spots, and then you're going to be able to cross multiply down and solve this. Okay, now I don't necessarily expect you to draw these arrows. Okay, I'm drawing the arrows just to visually make you think a certain way while we're doing the lesson. Okay, now you're probably going to take 125 and multiply by 0.73 on your calculator. All right, if I did it correctly just now, I got 91.25. When I multiply 100 times the x, 100x. What number do I divide by? We divide by 100. Okay, so divide by 100. Again, you shouldn't need a calculator, but if you did, you could go ahead and use a calculator. It basically is going to move your decimal 2 places to the left. So I'm going to get a 0.9125 equals x. All right, now do I have to add a percent sign to this answer? No, because it didn't ask for the percent. The percent was given. So do not just automatically always put a percent after it, because that doesn't make sense.